In this video, I visited Caja Kitchen Cebu and indulged in their dinner buffet. For those who don't know, Caja Kitchen Cebu is the in-house restaurant of Bayfront Hotel Cebu, offering a delightful dining experience for everyone. I headed to their North Reclamation branch to take advantage of their fantastic weekend buffet promo. Throughout September, in celebration of their 10th anniversary, they have an incredible offer. For every full-paying guest at the regular buffet price of 599 pesos, the second person pays only 10 pesos. Don't miss out on this amazing anniversary deal, available every weekend this month. Remember, food is always better when shared.